Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I want to talk about a diamond painting pen that I have seen advertised a lot on social media very recently. I watched adverts and I thought, right, okay, I'm going to buy one and just let people see the actual pen. So this is the pen that I have seen advertised a lot on Facebook and Instagram, especially Facebook. I have seen the same video that has at least 4, maybe 5 different company names. So it's exactly the same video. So when the video plays, the pen is empty. This just arrived. I just got it an hour ago, and it came with these beads inside it. Now, the thing to remember with these things is they are very generic. All you have to do is go on AliExpress or Temu and search for Vase or Vase diamond painting pen. You will find lots of them. You have to remember that AliExpress and Temu are thousands of companies. You're not buying from AliExpress or Temu. It's like an umbrella name. So you will find lots and lots and lots of these pens. They come in pink, blue and purple. I just picked one. I didn't bother looking at the colour. I was more interested in the actual pen, so I happened to get a pink one. Whether they all come with these beads inside, I don't know. But in the video, this is empty. So the first thing I'm going to do is empty it. And these aren't diamond painting drills. They are little round beads. So they're pretty useless for us. We can't use them for anything. Not squeak. That's nice. If you're watching with your dog, let me know what it did when it heard that. So we have these little beads. Just tip them all out. Nice bit of static in there as well. So yeah, pretty useless for diamond painting, but nice bit of decoration rather than just an empty pen. So what I'm going to do is, like they did in the video, I am going to pour in some diamond painting drills. So I picked some nice ABs. Not too many though, but enough for the purpose. So I've poured them in, and I'll screw the squeaky top back on, if I can get on the thread. Okay, so in the video, they pour drills into the pen, and then the first thing they do is pull the pen up, and the base stays on the table. It's actually sitting on a diamond painting, and the base is on top of some drills. When they pick this up, the base sticks. As you can see, there is no sucker, and it doesn't stick to anything. If you've seen this video, or if you do see it, if you watch carefully, you will see when they lift up, they actually pull the canvas up. So they have glued or somehow stuck the base to the canvas. So don't expect it to just lift up. You have to actually pull the base off. So now we have the diamond painting pen, and as you can see, there is nothing in the tip of the pen. Now, they do not put pink wax in the pen in the video. They don't do anything. All they do is they have a canvas, and they basically just start placing drills. And it looks as if they're just place, 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 place. And it looks like the pen is automatically feeding the drills. There are a few things to think about. The first thing is the drills are actually wider than the tip of the pen. So it's physically impossible for the drills to come through there. If you look inside, I don't know if it shows on camera, but there is a tiny hole in the centre that is maybe 1 millimetre wide. Round drills, which is what they used, are 2.8 millimetres wide. So how you can squeeze a 2.8 millimetre drill through a 1 millimetre gap, I don't know. The other thing is, how would the drills come down the right way up? The other thing is, normally diamond painting pens have pink wax in the tip. If you had pink wax in the tip and the drills came down, it would push the pink wax out and you'd have no pink wax in the pen. So that means the pen would need to release one drill and then close again to stop the next one coming through, or they would just all run out the hole. It was just the fact that it's advertised as a diamond painting pen. It would act as a diamond painting pen. If you put some pink wax in the tip, it would work as normal, but you would need to have your drills in a tray and pick them up one at a time. They have edited the video, so you basically just see the drill getting put down, the drill getting put down, the drill getting put down. They've cut out the part where the person is picking up a drill. This is nothing new. I actually posted a video, I'm going to take a guess, about 3 or 4 years ago, with about an advert that did exactly the same thing. The pen wasn't as nice as this one. I mean, the pen's okay. In that video, it was a syringe. And this is what came. But it did have a little piece of pink wax in the end. But in that video, they filled the tube, and again, they were just place, 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 place. When I did the video for this pen, I actually took the time to edit the video at the beginning so it looked like it was feeding, just to show how they do it. So there's no point trying to diamond paint because the drills do not come out the tip of the pen, and that is what I wanted to get across, because I have started to see in a lot of the groups, the diamond painting groups, people are posting and saying, does this actually work? And in one of the adverts, somebody had posted to the person who had published the video and said, does this pen actually work? And they said yes. It does work as a diamond painting pen if you put pink wax in the end and pick up one drill at a time. It does not work as in automatically feeding drills to the tip of the pen. So I ordered it, and like I said, I basically just got it. I just got in from work and I'm doing this video in the hope that people see the video before they actually order one. If you're looking for a pen that looks unusual, that you can put drills inside, you can put different colours in or whatever as a decorative thing, it will work as a diamond painting pen. If you're looking for an automatic diamond feeding pen, it hasn't been invented, and to be quite honest, I don't think it ever will. It is far too complicated to get it to work, to feed the drills and make sure they're the right way up and stop the drills coming through after one drill. It's just, I'm pretty sure, never going to happen. Nobody is going to invest a huge amount of money to try and get this thing to work. And if they did, it would be mega expensive. So, as I said, I just wanted to get this video up to show that it's a scam. It is a diamond painting pen, yes, but automatic feeding diamond painting pen, no. So hopefully you've seen this video before you actually click that buy now, or if you do buy now, you know exactly what you're getting. So that was the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth on this diamond painting pen. As I said, it seems to be getting spammed on socials. I have seen at least 4, I think probably 5 different companies or different company names associated with the same video. And one of them was even Danish, in Danish. Only 6 million people in the world speak Danish, and they still managed to advertise in Danish. But yeah, it is a scam. If you are looking for an automatic feeding pen, there isn't one. I will not be surprised to see more videos like this, but I just wanted to get this out. That's why I didn't waste time editing to show how they did it. But I will put a link to the original amazing self-feeding syringe pen video, where I did take time to edit that, and you can see how it looks. I'll put a link in the description. You can have a look at that as well. So pass on the message, because I know a lot of people are curious about it. I mean, it is a fantastic idea, but it is a fantastical idea. It is a pure fantasy. But it does work as a diamond painting pen, and if you like the shape and you like the idea of being able to put different coloured drills in it, as I said, you can get pink, blue or purple. That's up to you. But it's really just a warning to people: don't expect what you see in the video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember I do real pens as well, accessories, diamond painting accessories, diamond painting kits, pretty much everything to do with diamond painting. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. I do have a lot of videos coming up. So if you do that, you will get a little message when the next video comes up. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.